Gain traction on social media, wow your followers, and supercharge your workflow with any of these instant cool Photoshop image effects. Handpicked from both Envato Elements, which has millions of creative digital assets, simple commercial licensing, and an easy-to-cancel subscription, as well as Envato Market, where you can get exactly what you need for exactly the right price. Here are 10 cool Photoshop photo effects that will both add style and wow. We'll start things off with a super cool glitch effect and a personal favorite of mine. The best part, this effect can be used without permanently editing your original photo. Experiment and get that perfectly imperfect glitch effect. Here we have this gorgeous set of Redwood Photoshop actions that'll fit perfectly into any Fairytale theme. Designed to add a touch of warmth and richness, these actions are both stylish and bold. This eye-popping, paint-inspired Photoshop action creates a unique look, combining drip and blob effects for a shiny, almost realistic, but still surreal result. Are you a fan of the cosmos? Create trippy, abstract-looking pieces with this hipster photo template. This pack is full of high-quality backgrounds, filters, and vector shapes. Just insert your photo to get started. This matte Pastels Photoshop action will add an instant dreamy appearance to any great location shot. This action creates film effects styled like photographer Masashi Wakui. This frequency Photoshop action will add just enough pizzazz to your photos for a refreshing new appearance. Create the desired effect in just a few seconds. Add real film grain textures to your photos in just seconds. This collection has premium black and white film emulations featuring 15 contrast effects and 8 seamless grains. Love the look of traditional acrylic painting? Add the modern painting Photoshop action to your photos to create a textual modern painting inspired by the old masters. Design extraordinary photos with magical bokeh effects. This photo overlay pack is perfect for any creative's toolkit. It comes with a collection of 52 bokeh overlays, which instantly turns any composition into a charming, fantastical work of art. Are you an aspiring artist with a love for traditional mediums? Then you'll definitely want this premium oil painting action. Designed to create a lifelike result with beautiful warped textures, this Photoshop action contains 8 awesome effects. And there we have 10 cool Photoshop photo effects to add style and wow, from both Envato Elements and Envato Market. If you liked this video and would like to see more, consider giving us a like, and even subscribing if you haven't already. And don't forget to click the little bell icon to be notified of all new videos, including tips, tricks, and tutorials.